Sarah, why should manufacturers use a platform for digital transformation instead of a single solution to solve a single problem approach?
So point solutions are tempting. They are. They're fully built out, ready to go. I mean, you would think you could just plug it in the day one and go, but they're not. Point solutions are limited in that they are siloed to themselves. They don't connect very well with other systems, and not just other systems. Like they may connect, with the ERP or something, right? But they may not connect with other departments' systems. So it's tempting to use like a quality point solution or a maintenance point solution, or maybe even a safety point solution. But then the issue comes in where they don't talk to each other. So in the manufacturing world, you think maintenance is its own thing, quality is its own thing. It's not. They all depend on each other. And so quality needs to know when maintenance is having problems with the machine, and that way they know ahead of time to be looking for problems specific to that machine. Versus if they don't talk and they don't connect and they don't see that, then quality may miss an issue and it may turn into a warranty thing and then, blow up from there. So yeah, it's tempting to go point solution, but with the platform, platforms are connectable. You can build upon them as you need to. You can customize them.
Connecting teams, connecting data, pulling people together. What are the other advantages of a platform, like, say, for example, a dashboard?
Dashboards. So dashboards are customizable, and I keep using that word, but it's true, they are. They're easy to use, easy to manipulate, and easy to show your needs to the right person. So, for example, you can have a TV or a screen on the shop floor with a dashboard that shows the live data of productivity and quality and all that. But then you could also have a separate dashboard for like your CEO that's hundreds of miles away that just needs to know the health of his company. He needs to see the big picture, not the intimate details like a shop floor manager would need to see. But then you could also build upon that and do another dashboard and be, for a supervisor or something who needs to see their individual departments. And so dashboards are easy to show information as needed. They're live, and Quickbase is really good at handling that.